Hi! So today I'm going to talk to you guys about CBD and how it works with our endocannabinoid system. So if you remember from the previous video that I did, I talked about there being high concentrations of CB1 receptors in our brain that trickle down through the rest of our body, and high concentrations of CB2 receptors in our gut and our immune response that also trickle through the rest of our body. So CBD does not bind to either one of these receptors, but it kind of acts as a missile defense to keep FAAH, which is fatty acid amide hydrolase, from breaking down our own bliss molecules called Anandamide and 2-AG, which I also mentioned in the previous video. Here we have triangles to represent Anandamide and 2-AG, which are our bliss molecules. In the center, we have CBD, acting as a defense away from this Pac-Man looking fella who is FAAH that breaks down our bliss molecules. And we all want to be in bliss, of course. Who doesn't? And we all want to be in balance. So what CBD does is it acts as a missile defense between the FAAH and our bliss molecules so that our bliss molecules can better thrive. It does a variety of other things by allowing our bliss molecules to continue to be in abundance in our bodies. But the basis of that is that its purpose and its main function is that it helps prevent FAAH from breaking down our own bliss molecules. The other cannabinoids found in cannabis have a variety of other functions, and some of them bind to receptors and some of them don't. So some of them have a little bit of a stronger effect. The next cannabinoid that I'll go over is CBG. It's kind of like CBD on steroids. It's one of the building blocks to many of the cannabinoids in all cannabis plants. So stay tuned for more. No, I'm not. I'm talking about CBDs. I'm talking about the CBDs. FAAH, which is fatty acid amide hydrolase. Something like that. Go into more detail later on about what am I going to go into detail about? Alright, bet. I'm just rambling now.